If you don't know what Canva is, girl, get it and get acquainted. You're going to use her a lot. Like, we use her to make everything. Search thank you cards. That's what you're going to use. That's going to be your template. If you don't have anything in mind, if you don't know what you want your thank you cards to look like right now, type in thank you cards. They're going to have tons of templates. Pick one. If you don't like this one, you can come over to the side panel and you can pick another one. Like I said, there's tons of them. We're not going to really change too much with this card because it's pretty cute for the most part and simplistic. Like I said, we use Canva for everything, as you can see. Literally everything. It's the holy grail. We're going to take this transparency down a little bit to make the text more readable. You want to make sure your customer can see what you're saying, can read what your cards say. You get what I'm saying? I don't really need anything else on this page, so we're going to do the back of the card. Make it a little bit smaller. I don't like the unalignment of this. Okay. Then we're going to add the top part of the text, like the heading. We're going to change the color of it and all that in a minute. Again, like I said, whatever comes to mind, type it. I thought of something else because your support is greatly appreciated. That wasn't enough. That was not enough to let my customers know that I am thankful for them. So I had to add to it, and I didn't want to be repetitive because I was about to type thank you for your support again, and I already got the word support there. So I'm just gonna put thank you for shopping with us. Your support is greatly appreciated. Don't forget to tag us on Instagram. That's our main platform. Whatever your main platform is, tell them don't forget to tag you so other people can see that people are shopping from you, so you can see that people are shopping from you and tagging you. Get what I'm saying? It's a vibe when you tell people to tag you and they tag you, period. Like, tag me so I can see it. You get what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I like everything to be in alignment. It's the Virgo OCDness in me, so I'm gonna rescale this until I get it perfect. Y'all gonna see in a minute. I'm gonna change the color of Hey Baddie, like I said, to fit my brand more so. Y'all, I finally figured out how the girls be getting that effect. I don't even know what the effect is. If you see my planners, like the part that says this $1 billion planner belongs to, like the $1 billion part, that I love that aesthetic, like the text aesthetic of that. And I finally figured out how to do it. So like I said, I'm going to get this alignment together because it irritates my soul when text is just, I hate when text look like that. And I mean, it looks good, but it don't. I like that. And I'm gonna bring this down a little bit because that was too far up. When I print my cards, I already know it's gonna get cut off. You'll see what I'm talking about towards the end of this. I'm lazy, so I'm gonna copy and paste. And then we're gonna add our socials at the bottom. I'm gonna change this font in a second because that font is unreadable. Somebody might can see it, but bitch, I'm blind. I can't see that. So I'm gonna change it for the girlies out there that's probably like me and blind as hell. I still don't like this text, but it's gonna do for now. You see, you can't see it. I'm talking about you can't see. I don't know why it looks blurry over here, but I can see it on my laptop clear. I'm gonna go with that. And when you're ready, you can print your cards. It's gonna print front and back. There's no need to stress about it. You can preview it, make sure it looks good, make sure it's how you want it.
They have the option of premium, deluxe, and hemp paper. We're going to stick with premium. I want a gloss finish, so we're going to choose that. I don't need envelopes, so we're going to uncheck that. I'm going to pick it up in the store. If you have that option, do it. Listen, before you move forward, make sure that if this is right there, make sure if it says move elements out of danger zone, that you click that. So I'm gonna go back and change that to make sure my cards print how they supposed to print. You get what I'm saying? So go back and change that. I'm gonna go back and I'm going to detach my background. See, okay, that's how it's supposed to look. Make sure everything looks good before you check out, before you print anything. Now I'm ready to check out. Like I said, if you got the option to pick it up in the store, pick it up in the store. You can get your cards in like a couple of hours to 48 hours. Like you can get it within 48 to 72 hours. So get it. Like, you see what I'm saying? 1 to 3 days. That's it.